Well, welcome back to Doggone RV'N. Thought I'd have a little campfire talk here. We're in between storms. I think we're finally out of the bitter cold of the low 20s and high or mid 30s for daytime temperatures. The backyard permafrost has finally thawed out, and now it's mush like sponge cake. Ember's out here digging holes, chasing moles, and I ain't gonna worry about it until June. Then I'll just kind of rake it over, throw some seed out, and say, have at it. Anyway, I want to touch base with everybody that's been kind enough to stay with us through this intermediate stage. I've seen that my subscription people are increasing slowly. New viewers, the old viewers are still with us. They're watching and making comments, letting me know they're still out there alive, are enjoying what I'm putting out, or at least trying to put out as interesting. This today, with the break between the frigid 20s, the rain, I thought I'd better get out and get some things done, because they're talking about the first of many atmospheric rivers coming into the Pacific Northwest. This will probably dump up to 3 inches of rain over the weekend, and there's probably going to be a lot more coming with a day or two break in between. So I went out, I got the money I needed to pay the balance on my border collie when I go pick her up here in a week or so. Had to get the money out for EMBER. She's going in next week to get fixed, get her lady parts taken care of, so she's not trying to hump my leg all the time. And I don't think that's going to simmer her energy level, but it might flatten out her brain, and so she's not so preoccupied with something else rather than listening to me when I'm trying to teach her obedience. But Irish setters, although they're smart, they start out kind of hard-headed. But I'm looking forward to getting Spirit. I can start training her in obedience and getting her used to agility right at 8 months. Border collies are exceptional. They're extremely smart, probably at the level of a 5-year-old starting out. So, I'm excited about that. I'm going to keep separate Spirit EMBER for a while, not let them intermix a great deal, because I want Spirit to bond with me when she gets home, as she's getting used to things, and not bond so much and play so much with EMBER. Not till I'm sure that she'll listen to me and cue on my voice and my voice commands. So, I was going to go to a Pleasure Way group meeting, gathering that I've gone to for many years in Big Timber, Montana, but after the last huge flood that literally put the whole place underwater, they totally revamped the place, added more campsites, and jacked up the price by 2 or 3 times more than what it was. And I already traveled shoestring, so they've pretty much priced me out, unless that's the only place I wanted to go, and then go home. So that ain't gonna happen this year. I am saving up to go to a gathering in Sisters, Oregon with my RV Pleasure Way Club, but that's this fall. But I'm having to write off the usual June one I've gone to for quite a few years, because I just can't afford the increase, such a jump in the price for what we were paying. But that's how it is, you clean the place up, you put a tag on it as a resort, and boom, the prices go sky high, and it's still the same place. So, lots of planes coming in. They're probably looking shelter of them somewhere before the high winds and the heavy rain Yep, it's going to be a muddy mess back here, so I'll be playing with Ember a lot in the house because she comes out here in this yard, the permafrost that is finally defrosted, and now it's like soft mud. Just makes a hell of a mess in the house. So, anyway, that's what's been going on. Getting ready to go take Ember in to get herself fixed. And then about a week after that, I go pick up Spirit and bring her home, get her acclimated to everything for a week or two. Then I start letting Ember and Spirit interact a little more under my control, and we'll see how things go. But yeah, I guess I'm just not going to do that one trip I planned for the spring to Big Timber, Montana. Like I said, traveling and living on a shoestring, being retired, you got to try to make the best choices, make your money go the farthest, and enjoyment the best. So anyway, that being said, I haven't made any videos because it's so damn cold. I tell you, when it's just barely above the teens, I'm not going to go out there and make a video outside. Heck no. Oh wait. But I will be making them now that it seems to have warmed up. But now we got these god darn storms coming in. But still, it's better than things burning down and blowing away. And you know, I can deal with the wetness and the coldness as long as the forests and that, like behind my house, don't catch on fire, or you know, we have some major earthquake. Like everyone's getting freaked out about Mount Rainier. Well, heck, if Mount Rainier blows, you won't have a care in the world because you ain't gonna be here. Anyway, I don't know how long I've been talking, but thanks again to everyone that stayed with my girls and I, and thank you very much to all the new people who have found us. I'll say this, that going forward for this new era of Doggone RV'N, I'm just gonna live my best life and try to share it with you guys. That being said, I hope you guys will stick with us. If you want to find out what traveling with two puppies is like, and being a semi-nomad, then we're the station for you guys. If you have a wide variety of interests, geology, anthropology, natural history, Western history. If you're not pigeonholed into some narrow interest, and you have a wide variety of interests, because it's a big world out there for some of us who have gotten out and explored it. I hope you guys will follow along. So, coming up here next month, I'll have a official revitalization of my channel with new videos that I actually am working on. I'm still making those videos on the 7 years and 12 phases of my RV upgrade. Now, those are going to be coming. I'm not going to have them all in a row, because then everybody watch that and then drop off my channel. That seems to be what happens with other channels that do that. So they'll be interspersed in between our travel videos, our information videos, our blogs, and everything else that'll be going on in our life here with another brand new puppy. So I'm going to go see if Ember over here has caught a mole, the crater she's digging. And like always, the girls and I wish you guys happy trails, and woof woof. Catch you later. Somebody's trimming trees and she hears that. Sounds like angry bees. But our little fireplace here is going down the coals. Ember, what's up? Yeah, don't jump in there, dog. Okay.